Well, hello, I'm the Rifter. Welcome to another amazing Excel slash Google Sheets tutorial. They're slightly different, but they're pretty much the same. The only thing that'll be different is how well, I'll tell you when I get to it. But today I'm going to show you how to keep track of items in a column, like how to weed out differences. There's plethora of ways you can do this. And if you don't know what plethora means, get out the old dictionary or type up on the old Google machine plethora, which means many. There are many ways you can do this. But let's say you got a live sheet like so, and you got a ton of, like, I don't know, people's names and Bridget, Beth, James, I don't know you. Alright, so you got your people's names over here. And let's say that they're responsible for filling out column C and E. And let's just say they've got data here. You know what? We'll just say cat, dog, sheep, bird, another dog. Why not? And then we got 416. Actually, I'm going to say green, blue, blue, because I'm not creative, yellow, and red. Alright, so there's tons of different ways you can do this. You just have all this crap right here, just absolutely horrible. Hey, look at that. I can make it bigger. Yeah, if you didn't know that, you can do that. So you got this crap right here. So you get your people's names, you know, their cats or their pet, and what color it is. So this is how I do this. Let's say that they're responsible for filling out what kind of animal they have and what color it is. Now this could be anything. This could be a sale and the date that the sale happened. I don't know. It could be any number of things. So you've got your basic layout. What I do is I like to insert a row above the top row and grab this little gray bar, drag it down one. That's just to keep the top row frozen. Now in Excel, it's a little bit different. In Excel, you have to do some crazy stuff where you click there and then you freeze the panes and it will give you A and 1. It will give you those three. Or you can click here and do freeze panes and it'll just do the top. I don't know. It's really stupid. I don't like it. I like the way Google does. I like the way Google freezes their rows and columns. Anyway, so you can label it name, pet, color. Simple as that. So that's just a way to get organized. I also like to put another row above that. If I could find out where it is. So, this is the important part here. This is how you can track changes, right? So, let's say you want to know, like, they're responsible for filling C and E out, those two columns. So, what I do is I go up above the column, equal count if, and I press tab so it looks all pretty. Actually, no, don't use count if. Count A. And then you want C3 and just do the same thing. Select it all. And just press enter. So look at that. There's 5 things there. Sorry, I like to dress up my stuff and make it look kind of pretty. So there's 5 things in this column. Literally, you can copy and paste this formula and it will read this column. See? Boom. 4, 3. So, another thing I like to do is right-click C1 and do conditional formatting. And you can do format if cells is not equal to E1. And I'll change it to red. So, what we've done is we're applying this to C1. This is C1. And if C1 is not equal to E1, then it's going to turn red. All right? So I'm going to press done. And then here's the thing, I'm going to click on it again, because this is the easy way to do it. We're going to click add another rule. And we are going to basically switch the values. We're going to do E1 here, and then we're going to do C1 there. And again, it depends on what columns you're using, but this is the easiest way. So if E1 is not equal to C1, then these are going to turn red. So you can click done. What did I do? Oh yeah, that's right, they're in different columns. So you've got C1, E1, E1, C1. So if you have to keep track of whether someone has filled out data in a column, and let's say you've got, which I know this is just repeating stuff, but let's say you've got just a ton of things to keep track of, and throughout the day they keep building and building and building. Let's say Bridget here doesn't like to fill out her stuff usually, and there's just a few other people that don't want to fill out their stuff. Well, you can track that now, and then once you ask these people, hey, you need to fill in your stuff, they'll start filling in their stuff. You'll see it correct itself, and it'll turn it'll turn red. Now you can further manipulate this, make it more awesome. You can click on that, do add another rule, and then you want equal to, is equal to, and turn it green. So you do it for that one. Click over here, add another rule. And when you add another rule here, it basically copies what you've got in there already. So super easy. Is equal to, and then you want green or whatever you want, your favorite color, it does not matter. So now, boom, turns red. They fix it, turns green, you're good. So that's just a quick way to spot check your columns. Like me at work, I keep track of a lot of data. I mean, a lot of data, which this is going to be an ongoing series. So if you use Excel or Google Sheets, hit me up. Let me know what you want to learn. I will try my best to help you out. If this helped you, give it a like, because it definitely helps me in YouTube's nifty algorithm. Subscribe if it helped you, because I will be releasing more Excel/Google Sheets tutorials. I'm going to try to make this a weekly thing, hopefully on Wednesdays. But again, I'm the Rifter. Thank you for watching. Bye.